Hi everyone, my name is Jonny, nice to be back. In this video, I will share with you the causes and ways to overcome the phenomenon of pollination but no fruit or female flowers that have not yet formed but have yellowed and fallen. Now I would like to present 3 reasons that cause the above problem. One, nutrient imbalance. Too much nitrogen can cause plants to produce primarily leaves and stems. The plant will be large and usually very green and healthy, but will have few or no flowers. Nutrient deficiencies may result in reduced flower production or poor pollination. However, nutrient excess can be harmful to plant growth. For example, phosphorus levels need to be sufficient in the soil for flower formation, but excessive amounts reduce the availability of several micronutrients to plants, especially iron. A boron deficiency may lead to incomplete pollination. Pollen quality, pistil formation, part of the female flower, and pollen tube elongation are affected by insufficient boron. But, be aware that there is a fine line between sufficient and excessive soil boron, which can become toxic to plants if the levels become too high. Therefore, test the soil periodically for the recommended fertilizers for various plants. 2. Lack of light. Lack of light due to continuous rainy weather, high air humidity over 85% during pollination will make the plant not absorb calcium and microelements. Because calcium and trace elements are transported to the plant by transpiration, poor transpiration due to low temperature and low light will prevent them from being actively absorbed into the plant. As a result, the plant does not accumulate enough calcium and microelements, resulting in poor fruit set. 3. Plants have too much water, lack of oxygen in the root environment, poor nutrient absorption, trees do not have enough biomass and do not accumulate enough conditions for pollination. Those are the 3 basic causes of your fruit not bear fruit. In addition, the factor of hand pollination or honeybee pollination was also related to fruit set rate. Remedies. 1. After 7 days after planting, you should not use NH4 plus nitrogen because this is a growth stimulant. If used for a long time, it will make the tree grow faster while the leaf size and the stem diameter is very small, so the plant will not have enough biomass to enter the pollination stage. 2. Build a low light diet. Use a low N/K ratio less than 0.7 to limit vertical growth and enhance horizontal growth. 3. Increase phosphorus and potassium levels to stimulate the formation of female reproductive organs of the plant, to create a good foundation to prepare for pollination. 4. In rainy weather conditions, moisture passes. You should add through the leaves to add calcium and synthetic microelements so that the plant can fully accumulate elements that cannot be absorbed through the roots. 5. Limiting watering during this period is very important. When you see the amount of water escaping from the leaves like this, it shows that your plant is overwatering in the root medium, and that affects your pollination. Please regulate the amount of water suitable for plants, this is very important. 6. Or try pollinating a few plants on the female flowers of branches 7 to 8 to make sure you don't have any nutritional problems. If fruiting on these branches, you can be assured of a pollination result. Good pollen, but if after 2 days you don't see the bulging fruit, then need to review the causes and come up with a solution to fix it right away, and fix it. We will pollinate on branches 10 to 13. Above are my sharing. Hope it will help you, and remember that I will always accompany you to conquer cantaloupe as well as other crops. Please leave comments and problems you are having, I will try to help you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.